But let's go ahead and boric acid denatured alcohol this thing. Get that done. Now let's go ahead and light her up. Well, maybe my torch will light up. There we go. We're not going to need a bunch of heat for this repair, but we're just going to burn that off. Let that burn off. Alright, now we're going to grab a little bit of paste silver solder. Just a smudge. Not a whole lot. Just a very, very little. Let me go ahead and zoom you guys in here. And we're going to put it just on the tip. Very little, just on the tip there. Then what we're going to do is we're going to grab us some tweezers. And we're going to put those two links together like that. And we want them to be flat, if we can. As flat as we can make it.